Arts, and learning. That's who we are, Arts and Learning Conservatory, and you, every single one of you, is going to be able to play a stringed instrument or a woodwind or brass or percussion instrument at the school. We're going to start with something called woodwind. Everyone say woodwind. Okay.
The reason we call them the woodwind family is because Mr. Loeb is going to hold this up here. You guys can maybe see this tiny little piece of wood up here on the top. We call that a reed. It's a little piece of wood, and that's what actually vibrates and creates the sound. Now, the flute is also part of our woodwind family. And you'll notice that it doesn't have that piece of wood, but it used to be made of wood. Oh, I see a lot of people know that one. Let's see, right there in the orange. The Harry Potter theme. Very good. That's called Hedwig's theme.
This is, the brass family, and the smallest of the brass family is this one right here. It's my favorite because that's the one that I play. This is called a one right here in the red shirt. A trumpet, yeah, this is a trumpet. And this is what a trumpet sounds like. Raise your hand if you know what movie this is from. Wow, very light from up. Good job.
What I'm going to do is play each one for you so you can hear the difference, and then Mr. Felix is going to really play a couple of beautiful pieces, and then we're going to move on to our winds. But you have to remember which family is which. Which family are we starting with? The string family. So the first instrument I have here, it will be in your size, is a violin. The violin is a really high-sounding instrument. I'm going to play some strings for you. So it goes really high. And it can make fun sounds. This one is called the viola. You know the difference between the sound of this one and the other one? What's the difference?
Low and high.
Yes?
The violin is deeper and the viola is, the violin is more higher than the viola.
The violin is higher, the viola is lower. So if you like a mellow sound, you might want to go for viola. Okay, so that's our viola for you.